pot that I've been looking for forever at
Oh,
a
nice.
antique store for $50.
$50?
I
Damn.
was like, yeah, I was like, hell yeah, B, because we was looking for it, and B spotted it. We walked in, he pointed at it, and as I walked around the corner, and I went, oh my God. And I looked at it, pulled it out. It was immaculate, and it had $50 on it. I was like, I'm taking it. It's mine.
Hell yeah.
Then I found I think it's an 8-inch tortilla press. I was like, ooh, I'll take that too. So yeah, then we went on a, what was it, canyon, Dogwood Canyon, which
That sounds familiar.
Morris, the CEO of Bass Pro and Cabela's,
Oh, I wonder
um,
if that's what it sounds.
it's a natural reserve, animal reserve of over 400,000 acres,
Damn.
and we took a tour of that, which was actually kind of cool. Of course, I had elk and bison and deer, and I had all kinds of crap in there.
That's
Oh
cool.
no, hang on. But yeah, it's pretty neat. I don't just jump, I guess. But yeah, it's pretty badass. I liked it. Went to his in Eureka Springs, and thought, hell, I'd go back there. I'm going to that gas station down here by your mark, I guess.
I didn't mean to put that
Well,
mark
I don't know. That's fine. Ooh, I got wings. How did I get wings? I so suck at this game, but I like playing it because it's quick shit.
there. It can get frustrating. Can't do shit.
Yeah, it gets sweaty every now and then, and I'm just
Yeah,
not the sweaty type person.
I just don't. I like the Royale stuff. I like the more tactical shit,
Oh
like
yeah, that's what I
Battlefield.
mean.
Oh, I picked the wrong ones, didn't I? Damn it.
Just FYI, I don't have a gun.
Yeah, I don't either. Ooh, wait, there's. Oh my God, it's auto fill up. You just drive across it and it fills your car up. That's cool. Where's the center?
European Eels 7-6. On what?
Who's gonna run instead of gas?
Minnow on a 7-8.
And we ain't got far to go. We're here. Now we can get some gun.
Ooh, I want this.
As long as we don't get killed first.
Shit, where are the eels?
Do I?
Oh, I like that.
Huckabee.
Geek.
Gigi.
Lee goes, Huckabee. He goes, hey. Oh, I got a
Giggity.
Uzi.
I'm gonna.
I got a Uzi.
Little Uzi.
I got a double Uzi woozy. There's another chest here. There's another chest here somewhere. I just don't know where the hell it's at.
That sounds kind of messed up, wouldn't it?